Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got another episode of Cards and Parts coming up for you guys. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is, well, obviously you need to drain the oil. So I'm going to take it out of this port right here. I'm going to break that I'm going to break the plug loose and drain the oil. Once you drain your oil, put your plug back in and snug it. Okay, so now that the oil is drained out of it, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to go ahead and remove these two exhaust nuts so I can get this old muffler off. Alright, you can gain access to these nuts by either using a wrench, a ratchet wrench in, if it's too big to fit on there, so you can use the open end, or you could put a shallow socket on a ratchet. In that case, that's what I'm going to do. Nuts are loose. Hang on to them. And remove your old stock muffler. Alright, now that the oil is drained and the muffler is removed, now we need to get over here to the air box. And what we're going to do, we're going to take out these two 10mm nuts. Make sure your fuel is shut off and your choke lever is switched to start. That way you gain easier access to taking the air box off. Alright, next, in my case, what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove these two bolts here so I can get this throttle plate off and undo the throttle linkage. The size you're going to need to use to take this apart is 8mm. Side, pull your spring through, that is out. That's off. Throttle linkage is off. Return spring is off. Alright, next what I'm going to do, I'm going to swing this around so I can get a jug under here and remove this fuel line just in case if anything drips out, it don't leak all over the place. I'm not going to get that on camera. Once you remove your fuel line, you can now take the carburetor, pull it totally off. Set that over there out of the way. Okay. Next, I need to get ready to move the heat shield. That is this guy. Take this whole side panel off. I didn't want to, but why not? Don't really need to. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to get ready to remove the rockers. And in order to do that, if you look, you only get so much clearance on each side. So, the best clip to take out, because there's two of those retaining clips on each side of the rocker, I'm going to take the one closest towards the exhaust port and the intake port. So intake rocker is off. There's that one. Get this clip off the exhaust rocker. Came off a little easier than that side. Alright, try not to lose them because you're going to have to reuse them. This is a parts engine. This is actually nothing wrong with it. It's a running engine. Plan on probably building this one too. Make sure not to lose your lash caps either. If not, you'll have to buy new ones. So get a little magnet and take them off. Alright, I removed the push tubes, and I measured them with the ones I got with the head, and they're the same length. I hope in my case they're going to work on this race engine I'm going to build, and they don't get any coil bind. In order to take the head off, you're going to need a 12mm socket, ratchet or small impact. Always remove stuff in cross pattern. Just from working on cars and big semis and stuff, they usually go the same sequence as what it would be as if you were torquing it down. And what I mean by double nut in the studs, as you see, I got the one started. I'm going to take the other one, run that down like that, and find my 10mm socket. There it is. 10mm wrench. Get my ratchet. I'm going to hold that as I tighten the one. That's going to lock it, hopefully allowing me to remove stuff. And here it comes. I like using this method better than using a stud extracting socket, just for the simple fact, if you've ever used one, you notice how it'll crush the threads in the spot where it clamps and locks on, so you go extract the stud. I don't like that. This, you don't have that, and it comes out. And the reason why I'm taking these out is because I need them for my built, ported, polished, and oversized stainless steel valves. I need this for my head. Alright, now for the main goal. What I need is I need to disassemble this motor so I can get the head bolts, get the dowel pins. Not only that, I need to get the tappets, and I need these side cover bolts for my other new block. So, let me swap over to a 10mm. Here we go. Don't need that long extension. Chuck these in a baggie because I'm going to use them today. Hopefully. Get this motor built. I want to hear it run. I want to hear it run. Come on, baby. There we go. Uh-oh, we got a little Earl. Little Earl, she's bleeding. That on there. is on there. Here it comes. Alright, there's the side cover. Got that in the back. Cam is out. There's our stock cam. And here's what I'm after. That's what I'm after right there. Need these. Need these for my other build. Get the other one. I'll wipe this out and maybe put the side cover back on it. Just set it on there. And I'm gonna grab my other motor. Alright, so if you found this video helpful, help me out. Give the video a thumbs up. Be sure to share it and subscribe. And on with the next video of the engine build. Thanks for watching, guys.